You put down the phone, you've nowhere to go.
Yo, what's going on everybody? Kieran Yoyo here, back again with another tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm teaching you one meta trick everybody's going to be using at Worlds. Here's what it looks like from my perspective. Sort of missed one of the hops there, but that's okay. Before we get into this video, I'm going to be using the Deviant Plus for this tutorial. Otherwise, yeah. So to start this trick off, you're going to go into your basic trapeze and just do a whip to kamikaze like so. Nothing too complicated there. After you have whipped kamikaze, you're then going to pop up and undercut this string connected to your middle finger. That should leave you in a Houdini mount. From there, you can put your entire wrist into this Houdini mount like so, almost like you're going into a wrist mount. What you're then going to do is pop up and undercut the yo-yo like so.
Come on, man, you're older. Yeah, you're older now. What
This should leave you in sort of like a 2.0 and his brother sort of thing. From there, you're going to swing the yo-yo over this way, release this slack off of your index finger connected to your non-throw hand, and then undercut the yo-yo like so. I know that sounds really complicated, but it's weirdly easy. It's more so just about making sure you get the undercut right. From here, you're then going to roll this way and release the slack off of your index finger connected to your throw hand. As you do this, you want to bring your throw hand in, and what that will create is it will create the right circumstances to put you into this reverse kamikaze mount. That should look like this.
where flowers grow, where flowers.
From here, you're then going to pop up whilst releasing off your index finger on your throw hand, like so. That'll put you in just an open string. Then you can just roll over and do this slack element whilst hopping the yo-yo up. For this slack element, it's not actually too bad. It's just an iron whip, basically. And then after the strings come over, you're just popping the yo-yo up and catching it in a little suicide.
You put down the phone, you've nowhere to.
And that is the whole trick. It's quite difficult to pull off in one take, but I'll go over it one more time for you. So trapeze, kamikaze, underpass or pop up and cut, second cut, third cut, and then kamikaze, suicide, bind. And yeah, that is the whole trick. If you need any help, message me at Kieran Yoyo on Instagram. Otherwise, yeah, peace.
Parasite sucking a leech. Come on, man, it's over. Yeah, it's over.